a story all about how logs get flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'm going to explain to you how to solve some logs in here. In North Harvard High School, sworn and raged in the math class where I spent most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, feeling alright because no test for school. When a couple of logs, they were up to no good. Started making trouble when my grades were good. I got no logs right, and then I got scared. I said, I don't know why these logs are stuck in the air. I looked and studied over them day after day, but that's the only reason I got an A. You could be missing because a lot of times the bases are hidden. That's the problem with logarithm. First class is math. Yo, this seems bad, but if logs are something you just cannot... Remember this, logs have the base of any number written, and common logs just have the base of 10. It's natural logs that have the base of e, that's a little over 2, but right below 3. Converting from a log to an exponent isn't that hard. There's a specific order, like a set of cards. The equation always starts with a log, naturally notated as ln, so you can't go wrong. Then there's a subscript that gives us our base, and common and natural logs is always the same. In other logs, it has a wide range. But those bases have an exponent right behind the equal sign, and if you look right before it, the answer is what that kind of switches when you go to an exponent. The answer is in the rightful place, and now the exponent is what raises the base. When solving the equation, always put the base in. Putting the exponent above the base will give the answer we equate. If the common log form is too complex, all you have to do is raise the 10 to the x. It is the same naturally, but here we're raising e. Let's try the equation log of x equals 3. Just remember that's 10 to the third power. Put it in the calculator and you get 1,000. Let's try with e, raise it to the 3, and you get something slightly over 20. If you got one you can't solve in your head, it's okay. Just grab a calc instead. So now let's try the natural log of 10, and although that's not a number e can evenly go in, all we need to do is put the natural log of 10 above, then put the natural log of e way down low. The exponent will be that fraction, 2.302 thousandths is your calculation.